Okay, folks, this is what my hair looks like after 1 week after getting a haircut. All right, my family's been giving me all sorts of weird Asian remedies to solve my what is called madness. All I did was I have to shave 3 times a day. Hair is growing everywhere. Not a good beard. Sorry, Steve. It's just coming in weird spots. And I look like a damn smurf on drugs. Okay? It's like, oh, this is made from the dried red onion skins and some kind of dead lizard. Wait, it used to be a tree frog. Well, they went extinct, so we're using a lizard. Great, so I get like this. I had a haircut, okay, trimmed down, and this is the result. This is ridiculous. 1 week's growth. I got to get another haircut next week. And they're giving me all these weird ass herbal supplements that I can't even pronounce in Korean, Chinese, and Japanese because they think Uncle Alan. So all it does is make my hair grow like crazy. Here, drink this. What is it? It's aloe vera juice to make your hair grow. Here, drink this. What is it? We don't know, but it's dirt. Okay, catch you later, folks. I love herbal remedies.